Hello and welcome to this video. We are continuing this direct query series, and here now we are going to experiment with some new formulas with the columns. So what we are going to try to see that are we able to use if or not. So we are going to experiment with both with column and new column and the custom column in the Power Query. So let's start. So we say okay, we are going to create a new column out here, and the calculation which we want is if C, because we are going to create custom column. So we say if, let's say, quantity, if quantity is greater than 1, then we are going to count it as 1, else we are going to count it as 0. Okay, and then we are going to sum it up and see what happens. So we created this column, and if C, and then we add it, and we are able to see the numbers. Now same thing, we will going to go to the edit query or the data transformation mode and try to do it there. So we open the edit transformation mode, and once this says table open, we now going to create a custom column. So we say add, and again here we can going to call it if, and we are going to call CC because this is custom column. This is how we are differentiating from last few videos, and we are going to say if, and here there's a bit different syntax and it is case sensitive also. So if QTY is greater than 1, then it's if then here, then 1, and else we will call it 0. Okay, and we are going to sum it up. So we got a column, and we know we can't change data type here. That's what we have seen in the past video. So we are going to go here and say close and apply, and once we close and apply, we come here, and now we know this if CC we are going to get, but this if CC is having data type issue. So we go to this column tools and we make it as a whole number, and this is going to give us a warning, but we are fine with this, and now we add it here, and the numbers is same. So now we know that even if there are some small if calculation, you want to handle some null values, or you want to do some kind of a small transformation here, it is possible. So you have to go ahead and check out your specific case, but we can create both column and calculated column and use if there. Thanks for watching this video.